Dear students, yesterday we had some complication with the videos, so I think you are not able to read it. I'll repeat the same thing today. So we'll start with minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors of the determinant. Minus the element Aij, of the determinant has the minor which is obtained by eliminating the rows and column of eliminating the ith rows, jth column of the determinant. To understand this, let's take one example. Suppose there is a determinant A whose elements are 1, 2, 4, minus 3. This is the place A11, this is the place A12, this is the place A13, this is the place A14. So I can write A11 is obtained by, so that is minor means symbolize M11. Minor of this element is obtained by deleting this row and column, that is minus 3. Similarly, M12. M12 means M12 this place obtained by deleting this row and this column, that is 4. M21. 21 is this place obtained by deleting the row and column. If you delete this, you will get 2. And M22. M22 is for this element obtained by deleting row and column, that is 1. This is the minor. Okay, let's see the cofactors. Cofactors, that is Aij, that is minus 1 to the power I plus j Mij. If I consider the same determinant, if I find A11, then what is there? I is 1, j is 1. I will put here, that will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 M11. So minor of this cofactor of this element, only thing is sign will change, minus 1 to the power I plus j M11. That means I am getting minus 1 square M11 is minus 3. That is how much? The minus 3. So now, just see here, A12. 12 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12. This is minus 1 to the power 3 M12 is 4. This is minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So now I have to say one thing. All this will not write. We will go directly to this question and write its minors and cofactors. Look at here, when it is 1 plus 1 even number, this becomes plus. because minus square is plus. When it is odd number, minus 1 cube is minus. So now if I write A21 means 2 plus 1 odd number, so I will carry minus sign, and M21 value I have to put. A21 means I will take minor M21, that is 2. Similarly M22 2 means 2 plus 2 4, even number, so plus sign, its minor will be 1. This is very important for us to understand. Let's take another question on this. Find the cofactors of the matrix A defined as 1 2 0 3 1 2 minus 1 2 4. Okay, let's see now. Let's start. See how you are writing directly. If I write A11, first it will be plus sign, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus sign, it's minor. How do you find minor? Now you delete the row and column. You get 1 2 2 4. That gives you 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 0. Similarly, if I take A21, odd number means minus sign. Which place? I have to take A12 in this place. I have to forget this and this. So if I forget this and this, because this place, I will get 3 2 minus 1 4. 3 2 minus 1 4. So minus of 12 minus plus 2, that is minus 14. If I find there is a mistake here. A12. This is 1 2. This is 1 3. A13. Then odd number. This is even number. Plus sign. So I have to forget these two. 3 1 minus 1 2. 3 1 minus 1 2. That gives us how much I will get? 6 plus 1 7. If I find A21 is this place, 2 plus 1 odd number, minus sign. Minus sign means I have to forget this line. 2 0 2 4. 2 0 2 4. Minus 8 minus 0 minus 8. A22. Plus sign. Okay, let me write here. So A22 plus sign, I have to take the minor. 2 2 is this place. I have to forget this line and this line. It is 1 0 minus 1 4. 1 0 minus 1 4. So that is 4 minus 0, which is 4. Now A23. A23, this place. Forget this line and this line. The 1 2 minus 1 2. This is minus sign. 1 2 minus 1 2. That gives you, this is minus of 2 plus 2, minus 4. A31. 3 plus 1 4. Even number plus sign. 8 3 1 is this place. Forget this line. Forget this line. 2 0 1 2. 2 0 1 2. That is 4 minus 0, which is 4. 8 3 2. That is minus sign. 8 3 2 is this place. Forget this line, this line. Then it is 1 0. You are forgetting this line and this line. 1 0 3 2. 1 0 3 2. This is 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 3 into 0 0. And sign is minus. Sign is minus, so minus 2. 8 3 3. 8 3 3 plus sign. This place. Forget this line, forget this line. It is 1 2 3 1. 1 2 3 1. That is 1 minus 6 minus 5. So cofactors you have to write A11 first, then A12, then A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, and so on. So this is how you have to find the cofactors. Remember, you have to practice it very nicely because we will be needing it to find the inverse of the matrix. So now, see, let's see what is called adjoint of A. Adjoint of a matrix. A square matrix A is said to have adjoint which is obtained by obtained by taking the transpose of the cofactors. Transpose of the cofactors. Like, suppose A is a matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Then I will find cofactors. Its cofactor is symbolized as A11 capital letter, A12, A21, A22. Then adjoint of A obtained by taking the transpose. This is transpose, row becomes column. A11, A12, A21, A22. This is adjoint of A. So this will be more clear if I take some examples on this. Question: find the adjoint of A and verify that adjoint of A into A equals to determinant of A into I. Okay, let's see how it is. Where A equals to 2, 1, 3, 5. So first you find A11 obtained by eliminating the row and column. That is which one? 5. You have to eliminate row and column. 5. A12. A12, that is 1 plus 2 odd number minus sign, obtained by deleting this line and this line. 3. A21. 21 is this place. Forget this and this. So that is 1 odd number minus 1. A22. A22 is this place. Forget this and this. That is 2. Okay. Cofactors of A, that is A11, A12, A21, A22. You should be very careful when you are writing. A11, A12, A21, A22. Adjoint of A, transpose of the cofactor. This becomes 5 minus 3. This is minus 1, 2. So that is a shortcut method. You look at here. Adjoint of A. You may follow this one also. No need to write every time this. Adjoint of A. Interchange these two places. 2 will come here, 5 will go there. 5, 2. These two you change the sign. If it is positive, make it negative. Here is minus 3, here is minus 1. Check it. 5 minus 1 minus 3, 2. Same. What I did? Interchange these two. 5, 2. Change the sign. Change the sign. If it is plus minus, if it is minus, then it will be plus. So it is plus, so you make it minus. So this shortcut. This is only for 2 by 2 matrix. We cannot use it for 3 by 3 matrix. So now you got the adjoint of A. Now our question is adjoint of A into A. Look at adjoint of A into A, that is 5 minus 1 minus 3, 2. So that will give you multiplied by which one? Matrix is 2, 1, 3, 5. Look at the multiplication. That is row into column. New students, you can check it again. Row into column. 5 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3. Then row column. 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 5. Then row column, this into this, minus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3. Then minus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 5. So what is the result? So that is 5 minus 3, sorry, 10 minus 3 is 7, and that is 0. This is also 0, this is also 7. Okay, this is adjoint of A into A. Now what is determinant of A? Determinant of 2, 1, 3, 5. That gives you 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3, 7. So when it is 2 by 2 matrix, your identity matrix I has to be 2 by 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is what you have to remember. If it is 2 by 2, this will be 2 by 2. If this is 3 by 3, the matrix, this will be also 3 by 3. So, determinant of A into I, 7 into 1, 0, 0, 1. That is 7, 0, 0, 7. See, it is same. So, you get a question on this like this. Okay, we'll talk about singular matrix, non-singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be singular if determinant of A equals to 0. Otherwise, non-singular. Otherwise, non-singular means determinant cannot be 0. So, non-singular determinant is not 0. Singular determinant is 0. So, you get a short question on this. One more question nowadays you are getting. So, it will be like this. Question is, find the value of x for which the matrix A equals to 2015, 201x is singular. So the clue is here. To find the value of x, the matrix is given singular. So what is the solution here? The determinant equals to 0. That means 2, 0, 1x equals to 0. Implies 2x minus 0 equals to 0. 2x equals to 0. X equals to 0 by 2. So that is x equals to 0. So this is about your singular matrix. Okay. Let's see inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Let A be a non-singular matrix. Non-singular means determinant not 0. Non-singular matrix, then A inverse is defined as adjoint of A by determinant of A. So what I'll do is question, find the inverse of the matrix A, which is 1 2 3 5. Let's take 3 5. Okay, so I find adjoint. What is the definition? A inverse, that is adjoint of A by determinant of A. Adjoint of A by determinant of A. And just now, okay, first you find what is determinant of A. Determinant of A is determinant of 1 2 3 5. That gives you 5 minus 6, which is minus 1. Now what is adjoint of A? Now just now I told you a shortcut method to find, no need to find cofactors. Change these two, interchange this. That will be 5 1. Change the sign, place is not changed. Minus 2, minus 3. So therefore A inverse equals to adjoint of A by determinant of A. So that is 5 minus 2 minus 3 1 divided by determinant of A is minus 1. So the result is minus 1. You have to divide with all. That becomes 5 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 1. So try to solve like this. There are so many questions in your textbook. Tomorrow we will discuss about 3 by 3.